Hi, I'm David Parrott with Wolverine Coatings. I'm the lab manager here, and we're going to go over the results and kind of what we came up with our current testing for removing moisture from pipes using our BondTite 1101. So just to go over the apparatus to refresh everybody's memory, we took a acrylic pipe with two metal aluminum quart cans, balanced inside of them. It had an input port where we actually had some water in the bottom of the acrylic coating. We poured in BondTite and it flushed out the water through the exit port and filled the entire interstitial space with BondTite 1101. So we decided to do some cross-section analysis and look at what it looked like inside. So we did one cut right through kind of the middle. Unfortunately, this is where the two quart cans were linked together with duct tape, and it kind of caused a couple bubbles and stuff like that where the tape itself did not adhere. So we did another cut that would be a better representation of the actual process, where we went through just metal, where there was no tape. And in this section, you can actually see that the BondTite fully forms a seal around the metal, also around the external pipe. So it was a pretty good success. We also did some close-up pictures and some looks through the microscope, and this is what we came up with for that. The first picture we'll look at is just a direct photograph of it from a cross-sectional view. You can see the acrylic exterior pipe, the filling of the BondTite 1101. There is then the interior metal can, which represents the pipe edge. And then you can kind of see in the background the interior metal can, which is again representative of the pipe, along with the interior can seal that's kind of part of that metal can. The next picture we'll look at is the microscopic view. We did a 12 times magnification of the material, or of the cross section. In this picture, you can clearly make out the interstitial space that's inside the metal can. The interior metal can / pipe cut away, and then the filling of the BondTite, which goes directly up to the metal and leaves no bubbles or moisture or residuals between the space between the metal and the BondTite. So a complete seal of that metal surface. And so that's our video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, reach out to us at Wolverine Coatings.